Attention, attention, Miss Universe is calling. Asambeni. Dumilani Vakanyikwedu. I am Kealeboga Morapedi, 23 years of age, and I stand as one of the Miss Universe 2026-2027 finalists. And guess what? I hold a certificate in digital marketing, information and communication technology, and I am also the founder of Hands of Hope Botswana. And I stand as one of the Bakalaka representatives, and I am from Tutume. Thank you. At Hands of Hope Botswana, we focus on giving assistance to the vulnerable, the disadvantaged, and the needy. Stepping in as one of the Miss Universe finalists gives me an opportunity to getting more partnerships in giving out to those that need our assistance. Be on the lookout for the Miss Universe 2026-2027 finals. See you there. I am a beauty pageantry girl that believes that pageantry does not only need the beauty from the outside, but rather it needs the beauty from within, and that beauty is love. I have expressed that love by founding the Hands of Hope Botswana organization. And I would love to use this Miss Universe Botswana platform to gain your support and to make this whole reach a wide range. Thank you.